Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make AI influencer using HeyGen. So let's get started. First of all, head over to the HeyGen website by navigating to app.heygen.com. The link to it is mentioned in the description below. If you're new to the platform, you'll need to create an account, which is a quick and straightforward process. Just follow the on-screen prompts to sign up with your email address, or you can use your existing Google or social media accounts for a faster registration process. For those who already have an account, simply sign in with your credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by the HeyGen dashboard, which offers a variety of powerful tools and options. These include instant avatar, photo avatar, template, AI script, and many more features designed to enhance your content creation experience. While HeyGen provides a range of creative possibilities, in this tutorial, I'll specifically guide you through the process of creating your own AI avatar. This avatar can be used to generate videos on your behalf, making it an incredibly valuable tool for automating your video production tasks. The primary goal here is to save you time and effort by eliminating the need to record the same message over and over again. Instead, you'll be able to simply type out a script or record a quick voiceover, and your avatar will bring your words to life in a professional video format. Let's begin by selecting the Studio Avatar option from the dashboard. This will take you to the Avatar Creation section, where you can start building your personalized AI avatar. Once you're in the Studio Avatar section, scroll down until you find the HeyGen Avatar option. Click on it to start customizing your avatar. At this point, you'll be presented with two choices: Edit Avatar and Create with AI Studio. Edit Avatar allows you to fine-tune your avatar's appearance and functionality to suit your preferences. You can modify various aspects such as the avatar's visual appearance, resolution, facial features, and voice. Take your time to explore these options and make adjustments to ensure your avatar accurately represents you or your brand. You can even choose different voice tones and accents to match your desired style. Once you're satisfied with the edits, don't forget to save your changes. After customizing your avatar, return to the previous menu and select the Create with AI Studio option. This is where the magic happens. You'll be able to fully utilize your avatar by generating videos. In the AI Studio, you'll find a variety of options to further customize your avatar's performance. You can choose from a range of templates to define the look and feel of your videos. These templates are pre-designed to help you create professional-looking content with minimal effort. If you prefer, you can also design your own custom template to better suit your specific needs. Once you've selected or customized your template, it's time to provide your avatar with a script. This is the text that your avatar will speak in the video. You can either type out your script or record a quick voiceover. The AI will use this input to generate a lifelike video where your avatar delivers the message just as you've envisioned it. Before finalizing your video, it's a good idea to preview it first. Click on the Preview button to watch the video and check for any issues or areas that might need tweaking. If you notice any flaws, or if something doesn't look quite right, you can easily go back and make the necessary adjustments. Once everything looks perfect, go ahead and click the Submit button to finalize your video. Keep in mind that depending on the complexity of your video, the submission process might take a little time. After the video has been successfully processed, you can find it in the Recent Creations section of your dashboard. From there, you can download, share, or further edit your video as needed. And that's it. You've now successfully created your own AI avatar and generated a video using HeyGen. This tool is incredibly powerful for anyone looking to streamline their video production process and create consistent, high-quality content with minimal effort. If you're interested in trying it out for yourself, you can find the link to HeyGen in the description below.